प्लीज बैठ जाइए, आप बैठिए जी प्लीज। पेपर्स टू बी laid on the table. Supplementary Shiva Pratap Shukla.
Chairman sir, on behalf
from the Lok
of
Sabha.
my senior colleague Sri Arun Jaitley, Honorable Finance Minister, I raise to lay on the table under Section 159 of the Custom Act
Nothing shall go on
1962,
record.
a copy
All
in
this
Hindi,
behavior, nothing
English
shall go
and
on
Hindi
record.
of the Ministry of the Finance Department
Okay.
of Revenue, notification number 93/2017, custom dated the 21st December 2017, seeking to withdraw the basic custom duty exemption to China CPS falling under Tribunal 07132000.
Shiva lay it on the table. That's say late. I'm laying it on the table.
I lay on the table.
This is totally uncalled for. Don't denigrate the Rajya Sabha. Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I rise to report that the Lok Sabha at its sitting held on the 20th of December 2017 passed the Indian Forest Amendment Bill 2017 and second the Requisitioning and Acquisition of Immovable Property Amendment Bill 2017. And I lay a copy each of the said bills on the table.
Honorable members, I have to inform. Please, बैठ जाइए। आप बैठ जाइए, बेग साहब, बेग जी आप बैठिए। आप बैठ जाइए। ये तो इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है। इसको कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। आप ऐसा आपको मौका मिलेगा तब आप बोलिए। प्लीज आप बैठ जाइए। आप अनुभवी है, सज्जन आदमी है, आप बैठ जाइए। I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee in its meeting held on 21st December has allotted time for government legislative and other business as follows. Consideration and passing of the Central Road Fund Bill 2017 as passed by the Lok Sabha, 2.5 hours. Further consideration and passing of the Whistleblower Protection Bill, Amendment Bill as passed by Lok Sabha, 4 hours. Consideration and passing of the Prevention of Corruption Bill 2013 as reported by the Senate Committee of the Rajya Sabha. That will be discussed together along with this. Statutory resolution seeking disapproval of Indian Forest Ordinance 2017, number 6 of 2017, promulgated by the President on the 23rd of November 2017, admitted in the name of Dr. T. Subramanian Reddy. Consideration and passing of the Indian Forest Amendment Bill 2017 as passed by the Lok Sabha to replace the ordinance to be discussed together. Statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Goods and Service Tax (GST) Amendment Ordinance 2017, number 5 of 2017, promulgated by the President on 2nd September 2017, admitted in the name of Dr. T. Subramanian Reddy. 2 hours. Consideration and passing of the GST compensation to states amendment bill after its passed by Lok Sabha to replace ordinance to be discussed together, both these two. Statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Ordinance 2017, number 7 of 2017, promulgated by the President on 23rd November 2017, admitted in the name of Dr. T. Subramanian Reddy. 3 hours. Consideration and passing of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Bill after it passed by the Lok Sabha to replace an ordinance to be discussed together. Consideration and passing of the National Capital of Delhi Laws Special Provisions, 3rd Amendment Bill 2017, after it's passed by Lok Sabha, half an hour. This is for the Business Advisory Committee. Today, now we go to short notice discussion. I have called the name of Sri Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Please tell me what is your point of order. Abadi, please. Abadi. अरे मैंने अलाउ किया तो आप
सीएजी एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी है। सीएजी एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी है और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी यहां से बनी। हम ये प्रश्न उठाना चाहते हैं, क्या सीएजी अपनी रिपोर्ट लोकसभा में बिना पेश हुए अखबारों में दे सकता है? क्या सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर कोई दोषी माना जा सकता, कोई करप्ट? और क्या सीएजी की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर इंक्वायरी सेटअप होती? क्योंकि शिवन हम भी पीएससी के चेयरमैन है। मेरी बात सुनिए,
वो विषय अभी नहीं, आपने रूल कोट नहीं किया, वो विषय अभी का नहीं।
मैं रूल ही बिठा रहा हूँ। मैं भी पीएससी कमेटी का चेयरमैन रहा। सीएजी की जितनी आपत्ति है 99.9% पीएससी में दूर हो जाती है। तो उस आधार पर किसी सरकार को कोई सीएजी बदनाम करता है, उसको हम सदन में कॉल कर सकते हैं कि नहीं, क्या दोषी होगा, मैं ये जानना।
आप बैठ जाइए, ठीक है, मैंने नोट किया, आप बैठ जाइए प्लीज। मैंने नोट किया, अचानक आप कुछ उठाएंगे जो सदन के सामने नहीं है और तुरंत मांगेंगे इसका जवाब दो, ऐसा होगा नहीं। ठीक है, बैठ जाइए। सचिन रमेश तेंदुलकर प्लीज, इज फर्स्ट टाइम इज स्पीकिंग, let him be heard with attention. I request all the honorable members to give him an opportunity. He is speaking first time, maiden speech. Let there be no disturbance. Anand Sharma ji, please, you are senior, I need not explain to you, please bear with me.
Agitating the members for the last few days from the very first day of the winter session, and that pertains to constitutional offices and institutions, that of the present Prime Minister and the former Prime Minister.
We have discussed
unless
it.
and until, sir, discussion.
You have brought it to my
Prime
notice,
Minister has not come to
and
the
the
House.
matter is
Unless
under
and until
discussion
that
between
matter is resolved.
between the government
Because
and opposition.
government
Discussion is
has to
going
be
on.
very clear.
Wait for that.
When aspersions have been cast
I have
on
given
the
an
person
opportunity.
of the former Prime Minister,
You people are not
former
able to
Vice
come to
President,
consensus.
former Chief of the
We had
Indian
a
Army,
further discussion.
distinguished
This has been
Indians,
raised 4
diplomats.
times.
No, sir.
This I am not
Prime
allowing.
Minister's day
I am
was
not
today.
allowing. This will not
He
go
could
on
have
record. The matter is under discussion. The matter is under discussion. Shri Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Shri Sachin ji, please. Shri Sachin ji, please. ये पद्धति नहीं है. ये पद्धति नहीं है. ये honorable member who has been awarded Bharat Ratna by the government. He want to make a submission on sports, which is a very important activity for the country. Please follow the rules. थोड़ा मर्यादा रखिए, उनको सुनिए, आप में से जिन्होंने नाम लिया वो भी बोलिए. ये अच्छा पद्धति नहीं है, इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, मैंने मॉर्निंग में सुबह ही मेरा रूलिंग दिया और इससे कुछ होने वाला नहीं है. उनको बोलने दीजिए प्लीज, बाकी सब लोग बोलने दीजिए. Nothing shall go on record except what Shri Sachin Tendulkar is saying. Please बैठ जाइए, प्लीज. मर्यादा पूरा देश देख रहे, ये कोई पद्धति नहीं है. अब लोग बैठ जाइए, प्लीज बैठ जाइए. आनंद शर्मा जी, आप अनुभवी है, आप बैठ जाइए प्लीज. ये पद्धति नहीं है, ये शोभा नहीं देते, आपको शोभा नहीं देते, सदन को शोभा नहीं देते, पार्टी को भी शोभा नहीं देते. मैं किसी का नहीं सुन रहा हूँ, बहुत सुना मैंने. 4 बार मौका दिया आप लोगों को, 4 बार अपना विषय रखा, रूल का स्थिति क्या है मैंने बता दिया. फिर भी मैंने विषय को गंभीरता से अध्ययन करने के बाद मैंने तय किया, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस, लीडर ऑफ द अपोजिशन आपस में बैठेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे. कुछ मात्रा में चर्चा किया, मगर एक निर्णय पे नहीं पहुंचा. आप मेरे से मिले थे, बाद में मैंने लीडर ऑफ द हाउस से बात किया. वो विषय अभी भी जारी है, वो चर्चा पूरा होने दो, बाद में देखेंगे. प्लीज आप कोऑपरेट करिए, उनको सुनिए. It is an issue of the sports, very important issue, and that too raised by honorable member who was awarded Bharat Ratna. Have respect to that institution also. Please hear him. करिए. आप बोलिए, ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहे, आप बोलिए प्लीज. Shri Sachin Tendulkar, all focus should be on Sachin Tendulkar. Voice as well as focus also should be on Shri Sachin Tendulkar. Nothing else will go on record. आप अपना मित्रों से अनुरोध करिए. पद्धति नहीं है, थोड़ा आप से बाहर मत जाइए प्लीज. It is his maiden speech, that too on an important issue of sports, which is needed for the country. Do not trivialize things and don't create trouble in the house and don't get bad name also. This is my suggestion to you. Please आप बैठ जाइए सब लोग. आनंद शर्मा जी, आप अपना सदस्यों को सलाह दीजिए. पूरा देशवासी लाइव टेलीकास्ट चाह रहे हैं। आप लोग कैसा व्यवहार कर रहे हैं पूरा देश देख रहे हैं। मैं आपका विवेचन पे छोड़ रहा हूँ। आई एम लीविंग इट टू योर बेटर सेंस। You don't want to hear something about sports. You don't want to respect a person. You don't want to respect a person who is a legendary in cricket in India. Every youngster is inspired by his game. And you people don't want to hear him. ये पद्धति नहीं है। ये पद्धति नहीं है। श्री सचिन रमेश तेंदुलकर, उनके बाद श्री उसके बाद फिर राजीव शुक्ला जी होंगे। उसके बाद श्री राजा भी होंगे और अन्य लोग भी होंगे। ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा। These names has to be published tomorrow. People who are giving slogans, their names will be published tomorrow. Nothing will go on record. Nothing will go on record except what Sri Sachin Tendulkar is saying. We are discussing about sports. You don't have the sportive spirit. क्यों आप समय बर्बाद करते, अपना गला भी खराब करते, कुछ होने वाला नहीं। रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जा रहे। अननेसेसरी आपका गला क्यों खराब करते? No live telecast of what is said without permission. I don't want this sort of scenes to be telecast around the country, and the person who is holding Bharat Ratna speaking first time in the house